This demonstration will show how you can create a thread milling program on your Milltronics control. The first thing we're going to want to do is select F8 Program, F2 Conversational Edit, and F2 New. Now we're going to enter a file name. We'll just call it thread mill and press enter. And now you're on the first event of your program. You can type your program name again, you don't have to. Or you can program in inch or metric. We'll do it in inches. Select F1 store. So we're going to select F5 tool change. And we'll select our tool. For this example, we'll use tool number 1. And it'll be a thread mill tool. If you want to stage your next tool, you can do so. Or if you want a stop command, either optional or program stop. And select your spindle speed and whether or not you want it to run clockwise or counterclockwise. If you want your coolant to come on, and an auger. If your machine is equipped with an auger, you can turn that on here, and you can select how many minutes you want to run it for. If it doesn't have it, you can leave it blank, and you also have a chance to switch the work coordinate. Once all your information is filled out, select F1 store. Now select F2 mill, F9 thread. Now you're starting your thread mill cycle. So what's the center of your hole? For this example, we'll just say our hole is at X0, Y0. And the start depth. And if you're not sure what the field is asking for, there's a little illustration in the bottom left corner. So our start depth, we'll say it's 50 thou. Our final Z depth, we'll say it's -1 inch. Threads per unit. For this example, we'll say we're doing a 1 inch 8. So threads per unit would be 8. Clearance. XY feed rate. And now is your thread an internal or an external? We'll say we're threading an internal. And the thread direction, right or left. Compensation, if you want that on, it defaults to on. You can shut it off. Usually it's used on. And your passes, you can either do a single pass or you can do multiple passes. Multiple is probably a little more common, so we can select that. And after you select multiple, diameter increment will come up. So let's say every increment we want it to be 25 thou till the final diameter of 1 inch. It'll be a straight thread. You can also do taper threads. For this example, we'll do straight. And the start diameter, so for a 1 inch 8, that's about 875 hole. So we'll say the start diameter is 900 thousandths. So all our information is filled out. Select F1 store, and our program is complete. Now we can escape out of here, and we can preview it, F11 preview. And there you can see it spiraling out with their different increments. There's a few different views we can watch it in. So our smallest diameter is our first pass, and with each increment it got larger till it reached the 1 inch diameter. So that concludes our thread milling program. If you have any questions, let us know at milltronics.com, or feel free to call us at any time. Thank you.